The following resistors are made of the same material. Rank them from greatest resistance to least resistance. And here's our equation for resistance. Now they're all the same material, so what we're really looking for is the ratio of the length over the area. Okay, so let's look at the first one. We have a length of L, and we have a radius of 2r. Now area, of course, is just pi r squared. Now pi r squared will be the same for every one of these, so we're just going to not pay attention to it now. But we will have to square the radius, so that will be L over 4r squared. That's the resistance of this guy. Well, that's what it's proportional to. We left out pi and we left out rho. Let's look at the next one over here. We have 2L, and again we have the same area, 2r, so you square that, you get 4r squared, and this guy is going to be what? L over 2r squared. That's its resistance, so we'll write that up here, L over 2r squared. Okay, so what do we have? This guy is less than him. Let's do the next one. That's going to be L over r squared. And then finally, this one here, that's going to be 2L over r squared. Okay, so we got to go from greatest to least. So who's the greatest? Well, let's see. This is L over r squared. This is 2L over r squared. This guy is L over 2r squared, and this guy is L over 4r squared. So who's the greatest? Well, that would be RZ at the end here. Okay, so RZ is going to be the greatest. So, oh look, only one of these works. But let's keep going. RY, and where is our RY? That's this one. That's L over r squared. That's the next highest. Okay, that checks out. The next one will be L over 2r squared. That's Rx. That's that guy. And Rw is L over 4r squared. So that checks. B is our answer. B.